Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into the video. This is Troy here. Well, here you see are various pictures that if you go to Google and type in George Zimmerman, that you'll get these different pictures. Here's one of him when he said he was punched and beaten by Trayvon Martin, and there's a picture of Trayvon Martin. And today is 7/12/13, Friday. It's 4:09 Eastern Time, and the trial is now in the hands of the jury. It's now for them to decide whether George Zimmerman is guilty of second-degree murder, or they can go with a lesser charge of manslaughter, or they can find him not guilty. And I made a video on my opinions a couple of days ago on my thoughts after the prosecution had rested, I thought the prosecution did a horrible job at trying to prove anything. And I said that my opinion from the facts that I saw just by the prosecution, because the prosecution has to prove that George Martin was a murderer or did manslaughter. And I don't think with the evidence that they put forth that they could prove that. Now, as far as the jury, you're talking about 6 women. 5 of them their mothers. They broke it down as far as race. 5 of them are white, and 1 is mixed African American and Latina, I believe. And if you sit there and listen to the different types of, I even listened to the closing arguments today for both sides and yesterday. I still don't think he should be found guilty of anything, but it's a very well possibility that with these and 5 of these 6 women are mothers, that they might, just because they have kids themselves, and even though they're supposed to go by the law, they might find in manslaughter. And like I said, I don't think that's the right way to go. And if people actually listen to the evidence and go with what you think is right in this case. And people here, it's like anything. People see an accident. There could be 5 people, and they tell you 5 different stories. But from what I could see, I don't think he should be found guilty, and he should be set free. And if this does happen, I just hope that there are no bad things happen to where people riot and things like that. They've already showed on the news. It's only an hour and a half since they've been deliberating, and they've had places set aside for protests, and there might have been no more than 10 people at a time there all through the trial. And now those areas are starting to fill up, and a lot of them are people with signs, he's guilty, and all this. And the police have already come out in that area, but all around Florida and other states, saying that they need to have calm no matter what the outcome is. So I'm going to say that too. Whatever the outcome is, no matter how you feel one way or another, it's there's no reason to riot or burn buildings or hurt one another or anything like that. And the family has stayed strong and said that from the get-go, that they want peace, and they just want a fair trial. So we'll see. A lot of people are speculating it could be later tonight or even tomorrow, that fast before they get a verdict. So we'll see. That's the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.